Good day, guys. I have 5 pieces of Susan Anthony, year 1979, and they have those 2 coins are have letter P, and the 3 are I cannot say it's P or D. Just check it out, and if somebody are interested, kindly check my FB account and we're gonna talk about it. And this is the back. Sorry, that's the way it is. Yeah, right, there you go. Okay, it's like oh my, yeah, that's right. Okay, that's there you go. Okay, so it's too shiny, it's reflecting the lights. There you go. Sorry. Okay, thank you very much. Hope somebody need this coin of Susan Anthony. Thank you.